Hi, it's me, Sarah. It's been a while since I've done a video, but I thought it was about time. If you watched my sister a little while ago, you might have seen that she bought a Jessie Chorley journal, junk journal. I saw that Jessie posted some on her website, and I know we all love Jessie Chorley in our family, so I told my sister about it. She bought herself a junk journal, and what I bought was this. This is a junk journal kit. So what I thought I'd do is I thought I'd unwrap it and show you what's in here, and then you can see if you're interested in getting a Jessie Chorley kit. So firstly, it's tied up with this kind of cotton, I don't know what it's called, stuff. So two colours that will be able to be used, a peachy colour and a light blue. I'll be able to use that in another project. I love Jessie's paper. This is her own paper that she designs. I think she might have a kitchen one, and she's got this one as well. So this is something that I'll be able to use in my junk journal. So I'll just put that to the side. And then we get this bundle of joy. So this is a Jessie Chorley. So she prints her fabric that you can then embroider or just use it as is. So this is a little printout of a little house. It's very cute. And then what we've got is a Jessie Chorley card. So this is her little logo. You can see her gorgeous little stitch projects around there, and you might have seen that my sister and I have both done a Jessie Chorley friendship quilt that we're both still working on. And then a little note on the back from Jessie, which is cool. I'm going to definitely put that in the journal once I'm done. This is a little card for an exhibition that she's having in August. If only I lived in London, I'd be going to that with information about that. Okay, and then we've got a little pack of goodies to make your own journal. So the idea is that with this kit, you're able to put together a journal just like Jessie makes. So let's have a look what's inside. All right, so we've got some little tags that you'll be able to decorate, put some different papers on and put into the journal. We've got some little pink ones as well. Some little pink tags there. We've got some red twine. Jessie does a lot of navy blue and red and white, which I really like, and also natural linen. That's really nice, cotton. Some more of that sort of, I can't remember the name of that stuff, but it's a navy blue. A little card journal, so that would go on the front cover or on the inside cover. They're all Jessie's stamps, some little cardboard tags. A cardboard heart, which has got music paper on the top. I know Jessie puts some of these on the front of her journals, but you could also put it on the inside. This book belongs to, it's a stamp. Jessie stamp, and some old postcard on the back. Bookmark. Again, old postcard on the back. These are really cute. These are her little bags with her little stamps, which is like kind of like the paper. So it's stamped onto the bag. Plain on the backs, a couple of them. Journal. Very Jessie style, the writing on the postcard. Then we've got a collection of old buttons, and I thought I might take this little sticker and put it in the journal as well. We've got a scrap fabric pack, so that'd be good for some slow stitching. So beautiful fabric scraps, perfect for patchwork and craft projects. Let's have a look. I've got another sticker on the other one, so let's have a look inside. This kind of stuff is perfect for slow stitching. And slow stitching is where you basically, you can use lots of little offcuts, and you could actually make a cover with slow stitching. And then you do like a running stitch, and hand stitch is slow, and it's meant to be relaxing. That's why it's called slow stitch. Little fabric offcuts, off bits and pieces. That looks like it's come off something. Hopefully I'm on screen and you can see all of this. a piece of Jessie's fabric. For inspirational workshops, you can go to www.jessiechorley.com. I love Jessie's stuff. I wish she'd do more YouTube videos. Jessie, if you ever watch my video, which I doubt, please make some YouTube videos of the beautiful stuff that you do. Some postcards. She does a lot of this kind of stuff. These are her own kind of designs with probably an old letter on the back. And again, another old postcard. She's used that on the back of some of her things that she's stamped. So I've got 4 of them. Some big cards. Aren't they beautiful? They'd be such beautiful pages. And on the back it's different. They're really beautiful. I love them. Some more little string, which was around the bundle. I might use that for something. And then we've got the big pack. So let's have a look in the big pack. So these are her little instruction booklets. I've had projects of hers before. And her stitching, really beautiful. So this is an example of her journal. These are sort of journal parts as well. So this kit includes 1 vintage book, assorted paper items, embroidery thread, fabrics, scraps, and full colour instructions. Designed for you by Jessie Chorley to create your own altered memory journals and albums. And then inside it gives you some simple instructions of what to do and the other equipment that you'll need. So that will be handy. And then she's put in an old book. Love the colour. It's kind of a pink. Bibliography of Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. And there's a couple of little holes there. And I think that might be to put the buttons. You can put the buttons on, front and back. Let's have a look at how old this book is, if it's got a date. Can't see any at the moment. Reprinted in 1968, originally printed in 1908. So it's not a super old book, 1968. So what I think Jessie does with her books, I think you'll see in my sister's video that she did of the journal she bought from her. She actually glues multiple pages together. So she leaves the pages in and she glues them together, and then she alters them, and she certainly alters the front covers. She does some beautiful covers. And then finally what we've got is some absolutely beautiful, this is wrapping paper, Jessie Chorley wrapping paper. So I'll open it right out. Probably won't be able to see all of it on screen, so I might just move it around. So wouldn't that be great to pull bits and pieces, rip it up, put things in? That looks like, if I'm on the screen, that looks like an old postcard. Another one there, little Jessie Chorley stamps. She does lots of illustrations, bunnies, clocks, houses, things like that. So that is everything that you get in your Jessie Chorley journal kit. I'm going to have some fun with this one, make myself a journal, and see how it turns out. I might, when I do the cover, if I have a bit of an idea of what I'm going to do, I might video the process. We'll see how I go. You can probably tell I'm a bit of a newbie at this stuff, so I'm probably not so good at just whacking it together on screen. But we'll see what I can come up with. Pretty exciting having my Jessie Chorley that's the quilt, journal pack. And just so you know, she has them on her store. How much was it? I think it was 45 or 55, 45. I think by the time it converted into Australian dollars plus including postage, it ended up costing me around $100. But I think it'll be quite fun. All right, I hope you like seeing what's in the pack, and maybe you'd want to buy your own. I'm not sponsored by Jessie or anything. I just really like her stuff. So does my sister Rachel, Roxy Creations by Rachel, and so does my mum. Anyway, I'll see you again soon for another video. Bye.